Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make samosas the traditional way. So here I have my spring roll pastry. You can get this from any good Indian supermarket or Chinese supermarket. It's spring roll, it's nice and stretchy, and that's cut into long strips. I've got some lamb and peas in the samosa mix. I have my samosas ready that I've made, and this paste acts a bit like a glue, and it's made with flour and water. So you take your samosa pastry, your spring roll pastry, and you turn it into a cone like so. There's no holes at the bottom. And you get it into a lovely cone shape. And you take your mix, you don't want tons of it, but nicely fill. And then you just use your fingers to poke it all in. And then you are just literally folding it over once like this. And then you take some of your paste, again use your fingers, and you're using this as a glue. And you fold that over. Use the paste to just glue any bits that are sticking out. And that is a samosa.